Hi planner friends, this is Kathleen with Apricot Tree Planning. I'm really excited to show you this new kit. It's an Easter kit. It's called Easter Lilies and it is gorgeous. I love how this turned out. It has some beautiful like crochet lace in it. It has just a lovely color palette of purples and greens and yellows. But the artwork in it is so pretty. The lilies and then the watercolor Easter eggs. I'm just thrilled with how it turned out. I hope that if you're looking for an Easter kit, you might consider this one. It has gorgeous bottom washi, and then the quote box is from a song called Consider the Lilies of the Field. And so I hope you like it. I'm thrilled with it. Hop on over to my shop to check it out. It's available in Happy Planner size. It's also available as an Erin Condren like you see here. This is the deluxe kit, so it has the date covers and the time corners. And then there is a mini kit, like a TN kit that's great for mini happy planners. And also for people who do like bullet journaling and that sort of thing, because it's just a much smaller kit, makes it really affordable. And if you're in the Leafy Treetops Planner, I have it in that also for horizontal and for vertical. I hope you like it. I can't wait to use it this spring in my planner. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.